What's going on, guys? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and in today's spotlight I will talk to you about the company ICOA. Now, for those of you who don't know ICOA, even though I talked about it multiple times in a lot of weekly reviews, ICOA is a company that is currently entering the DeFi blockchain, NFT and crypto space through multiple acquisitions. And in this video I will show you everything you need to know about ICOA, all up to date. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the future videos. Also like and comment, it helps the channel a ton. Now let's get right into it. So just like a lot of companies in the OTC, ICOA was another company that was inactive for years, and then a new management took over the control of ICOA and they released the path to success, in which the first step was the financials, the attorney letter, the ping current information, and then some more juicy stuff like debt cancellation, share cancellation, merger, and then OTCQB. And just like the timeline, they nailed almost every single part. They uploaded all of the financials, they uploaded the attorney letter, they achieved the ping current information stamp. They canceled 2.59 billion shares, which was about 30% of the OS, which is very good because it reduces the market cap of ICOA. They canceled $1.24 million of debt, and they acquired IBG Finance for their first acquisition. That acquisition alone was estimated as $185 million. After the announcement of the LOI to acquire IBG Finance, which was already closed, they tweeted about the second acquisition, which will be a Bitcoin denomination fund, and they released an LOI to acquire BGBF, which was estimated at $240 million because they own 5,000 Bitcoins. Moreover, they tweeted another timeline for the fourth quarter of 2021. And that roadmap started with BGBF closing LOI, after that appointment of new management, then debt settlement and write-off, and at last NFT partnership. Now, as I said earlier, they already wrote off $1.24 million of accrued debt. They also announced that IBG Finance is entering the NFT space and will release exclusive art as NFT to raise funds for educational opportunities for students worldwide. Now, given the fact that ICOA owns IBG Finance, that means that ICOA is also entering the NFT business, just like they said, just like they showed us in their roadmap. And finally, ICOA tweeted that there are no current plans for reverse split on the roadmap for ICOA, which is also a very good news. So after all of that, where do we stand today? So today we are standing at the point that we are waiting for the BGBF LOI to be closed officially, which was worth $240 million. Now, the good news is that Dr. David Menon, which is the co-founder of IBG Finance, tweeted that BGBF closure confirmed on or before the 20th of December, a Christmas gift for us all, PR to follow. Now, that means that we have less than 5 days until the LOI of the BGBF acquisition to be closed, which is extremely good news because that will almost double the value of ICOA, which is currently sitting around the $185 million because of IBG Finance. Now, if you add the $185 million worth of company of IBG Finance and you add that to the LOI that it is expected to be closed on December the 20th or earlier, which is worth $240 million, you get $425 million worth of company, while their current market cap is sitting at around $43 million. There are also more plans for ICOA, such as CNBC interview, such as New York Times Square exposure, and even more, but I decided to show you the bigger stuff that happened or that will happen in the next upcoming days. Now let's take a final look at the chart of ICOA, and we can see that everything started around the beginning of August, the stock was traded at the 0007 and it ran thousands and thousands of percent to the high price of 0279, and after that it started a downtrend for about 3 months, all the way up for 3 days ago, where you can see that the downtrend was broken and it looks like that we are on an uptrend as we speak, and it could continue until the closing of the BGBF acquisition. But of course, only time will tell that. None of this video is a financial advice. It is only a full cover, a full review of ICOA. And one final update that happened today is that ICOA updated on the OTC markets its website, its email, its business description, number of employees, and their facilities description. And you can see that their website is pretty nice. Blockchain solutions, who we are, media, our portfolio with BGBF and IBG, and roadmap for 2021 and 2022. And you can see here some stuff that we did not see on their Twitter page or on their news. You can see that the IBG Robo-Advisor public launch on the first quarter of 2022, potential Reg A fundraising, a crypto fund launch, and NFT platform launch, all of that on the first quarter of 2022. Now, if you want to get these kind of updates as fast as possible, even during market hours, go and check out the Oracle bot. The Oracle bot shows you every update from the OTC markets and even news faster than anyone else. And as you can see right here, the second that the update has occurred, the Oracle bot sent the update. And as you can see on the business description, they added that they are positioning themselves as a leader in the DeFi blockchain NFT. And here is the keyword: metaverse and crypto space. So they added the metaverse, and if they are intending to enter the metaverse world, which is one of the hottest sectors right now in the market, it will be very interesting to see the future of ICOA. And that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the future videos. If you are not on our Discord channel, make sure to go to the description and join, because we alerted ICOA all the way back from August. So if you don't want to miss these kind of opportunities, these kind of thousands of percent of opportunities, join our Simple Trade Discord community. Once again, thank you for watching and have a green and a profitable day.